this is, let me get a little closer so you can take a peek. If you know what that is, you're part of the GearHead Brotherhood. That's the fraternity of dudes that like to twist a wrench. Maybe you're part of a Corvette club, maybe you're part of a Ferrari club, maybe you're part of an antique club. It doesn't matter. If you twist a wrench, you're part of the brotherhood. So I made a t-shirt for us. If you want one, pick one up over at Blacktop Mods. They're awesome. Fits good, super soft. This is double XL, by the way, just so in case you want to know. I'm 210 pounds, 5'9". So this kind of gives you a little, you know, how it fits. Anyway, I made a shirt. If you want one, pick one up. Love to have you in it.